Those important connections, I don't think people realize what a wealth of services we have at Workforce Connection for both the employer and the job seeker. For instance, we just had, the New Year, New Career hiring event. We had 22 employers on site, some very milestone, keystone employers: Presbyterian, Sandia National Labs, Los Alamos Labs, UNM, Burnco, City of Albuquerque, and we had 163 people attend. I think we did like 26 interviews on site that were completed, 6 hires on the spot, another 73 or so scheduled. Employers were looking for candidates from Sunvan drivers to registered nurses to carpenter tradesmen, police officers, accountants, you name it. So it was really a good event.
Exactly. Well, see, and that's the beauty of a hiring fair is, a lot of people are saying, well, I want a job or I need a job.
Right.
And you don't know where to start looking. I mean, when it's
Exactly.
all centralized in one location, especially with those great employers here in the state, that's great.
Right, yeah, exactly. Well, and for the employers, we have incredible services. We offer, as you saw with the hiring event, we offer our offices for hiring events like that, but also for them to conduct interviews, basically to extend their HR services if they need that. We also assess job applicants, screen resumes. We customize training to upskill their staff. A lot of them have the talent, but they don't have the ability to upskill people for the demands of today. So we supplement wages, help them. We also offer on-the-job training to people. So, that we can supplement their wages so the employer gets the benefit and then also gets to train them with the skills they need.
Yeah, that's awesome. So starting the year out on the good